I on time like.
All right, guys. So now let's talk about getting tags to rank your YouTube video better. All right. So when you think of tags, all a tag is let me show it to you real quick so you just know exactly what I mean when I say tags. All right. So each YouTube video, you have an opportunity to put tags, right? You can put tags on your videos. This will also help your SEO or your search engine optimization. So let's click the load to see how many rank tags we have. We have 3 rank tags inside of this video. Now, the first tag that you should make at all times, okay, at all times, is the actual title of the video. This right here. All you have to do is highlight this right here, copy it, and use this as your first tag. This should always rank, okay? That tag should always rank. So if I put it into my keyword explorer here, I'm going to paste my title. We're going to explore. See how it's 100 out of 100, okay? So this is a great tag. So all I have to do is put this into my video. Now, where do you see your tag section? So when you're editing videos, all you have to do is click the edit video button. And then all you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of the video and you'll see a section right here that says tags. Okay. After you get tags, all you want to do is just right click and paste the tag in the section. Just paste it. Okay. That's all you have to do. Once you do that, then your videos will, you actually save it. Then your video will start to rank these tags in the proper positions. You'll start seeing 1s or 5 or 19 or something like that. Just like here, it says how to get traffic to your website. I can actually add that as a tag. See how it has that rank 30 on it? ClickBank affiliate marketing, website traffic. Let's add that right there. Just to spice it up a little more. And then we will put save. And once it saves, then you're good to go. Now, if you want to find tags, popular tags that are being used on YouTube, all you have to do is go to a channel or a video within your niche. So let's say mindset. All right, so what we want to do, we want to find tags, successful tags. So let's say you copy hack this title here, you know, reset your mindset, best morning motivation. See how they have all these tags here, right? So let's click and see how many tags are ranking. Now you see how many tags? Reset your mindset, morning motivation, best morning motivation, motivational video, motivation, change your mindset, right? This is how you can rank. So all you have to do is, this is after you have downloaded TubeBuddy. This is your video analytics that comes on TubeBuddy. All you have to do is click copy to, right? And you can copy all of these, put new tag lists, and let's put motivation. Now, anytime that I make a motivational video or something about resetting your mindset, I can take all of these tags and put them on to my video. All right. Simple way to find tags that are already working. They're already ranking. There's 6 ranked tags. You should at least get 1 or 2 of these tags to rank on your video. Right. Another way that you can find tags is, let's say, developing a growth mindset, right? So let's put this, developing a growth mindset. Let's go to our keyword explorer. This will be technically the long way of how to get tags. So you would come in and you can just do this and it will show you what your rank is. So it says it's fair. So I will put developing a growth mindset in 2021. And that's very good. So you could actually use this as a tag also. And you just play around with the words in order to find better tags that you can use for your videos. And that's how you can actually find tags to rank your video better.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You